my sweet girl. Not only you, girl. Like MJ, rock my world.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is African Joel. As you guys can tell from the title, today I am a bold individual. I'm bold. So let's gist because I'm trying to understand something. And something is trying to understand me. So I want you guys to help me. Let's just discuss some things that I just talk about because you guys are my friends. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you hit that subscription button and join this great family members. So let's get on to today's video. Okay, so I'm just trying to understand a few things. Like this video literally has no outline. Like I'm literally bored and I want to talk, and I have all my friends are busy and they're in London. I don't know the person to call, so I'm coming to talk to you people. So you people have to engage me. Please, let's talk. Alright, so I was watching this video that was talking about like wedding nights. On your wedding night you're meant to all these scrumptious ideas. For me, that is not realistic. It's not realistic. Because first of all, people say, okay, like it's your wedding night. After your wedding, you're meant to, dress up, look good, do you get? Because that night is the night that it will go down. That's the night that every party scatter, like you have to scatter the whole dance floor. And I want to understand how you guys do it. Because to be very, very honest, my husband and I, we slept. Like, do you know how tired? Do you understand how tired we were? And you're saying I should come and be doing Royal Rumble 5 rounds because of my wedding night. The wedding will end the next day. It's so unrealistic because, guys, do you know the kind of stress that planning a wedding, it causes? I was mentally exhausted. I literally, on the wedding night, I had my lingerie, I was ready. We got in, we looked at each other. So I want to sleep. I really want to sleep because you can't kill me. You cannot kill me. That's something you cannot do because why must you, on top of all the stress that you've literally been through, now come and start doing 5 rounds because society says that that's what you're meant to do. My dear, if you have the strength to do what that needs to be done. If you don't have the strength, like people like me and my husband, go to bed. Marriage, you continue tomorrow. You have the rest of your life to do all you need to do in the bedroom. Why must it be that night want to scatter everything and finish all the skills that you've learned that very night? Why? Is it necessary? It's not necessary. I don't think it's necessary. So can we leave it now? Can we just dead that? So that's the first one. The second one is this idea that Igbo guys are very stingy and they're akagon. They call them akagon. They call Igbo guys akagon. I don't get it. And Yoruba ones are the ones that spend. Do not get me wrong. I accept wholeheartedly. Yoruba people know how to spend money. They know how to spend stupidly. But the thing, is, see when you marry an Igbo husband, even when I'm looking for the one to find. I'm trying to find the one to look for. I don't even know the English I'm speaking, but the Igbo guys, when they're genuinely are for you, those people are for you. Listen, enjoyment plus enjoyment on top of enjoyment. That's the best. That's your name. That is what your name is, dear. That's what your destiny is looking like. Because majority of the way Igbo guys think, is that they like to work hard, and usually it's their wife that looks like they have money, not the husband. Do you get what I'm saying? It's the wife that looks like they have money, not the husband. So that's how, when you want to know whether my light don't go, when you want to know whether or not it's bad. When you want to know whether or not an Igbo man is rich, you look at the wife, because the wife is enjoying that money that he's just working and just sleeping. She's enjoying money and sleeping. That's what she's doing. So let me know your encounter with Igbo or Yoruba guys. Which one is more generous with the dough, with the mullah, with the ego, with the unko? I love it for ego money unko. It's different doings. Like, let me know which tribe does more doings than the other. Like, let me know what your experience is like. For me, I feel like I've met people that are genuinely like giving in life. I've never really met people that are like stingy. For me, so let me know what your experience is like, and yeah, we can just like discuss this. I'm trying to think of what other thing that I've just been like thinking about, but I think that's about it of my rant, because that's what I'm trying to understand. And also quick questions. When you guys are doing like any planning for, let's say, for like weddings or anything, do you this question was like not very important again. Please, you people should explain this thing that is called going Dutch. Where are we going? As in Dutch the country, or Dutch as per excuse me. Who this? As the mates, I will be in my house, minding the business that pays me, or the ones that don't pay me too. Sometimes you just be still on Instagram, it does not pay, you just be scrolling. And somebody will say, oh, I want to take her out on a date, I want to get to know you. I said, okay. I dress up, I do my hair, I flick the baby hair, I wear my lashes that are flying, I do my makeup, I paint my face, I come out looking cute. They bring the bill, you say, let's go Dutch. Unless you mean flight ticket to Dutch. If you don't, get out. If you don't, get out. Get. If you don't get out. Just get out. I don't understand it. Like, I understand some people in marriage, yeah, go half with their husband or their wife, like they split the bill. That's fine. I feel like that's understandable, depending on obviously what your working situation is. That's fine. I feel like whenever I work, or I just finished school, so I'm not full on working now. But whenever I do work and I earn, I feel like I'll definitely like be contributing in my household, because it's not like, oh, I want to go and buy yam, babe, send me money. No, obviously I'm gonna use my money to buy that because I can afford it. But now that I'm not working, hey babe, I'll find out. I'll just eat today. Send me money for this, because I'm not working. But if you're working and that's what you both feel comfortable, that's fine. But I feel like also, it's one thing not to go Dutch with a guy that you're courting or your boyfriend, but you're okay going half with your husband because you both are building something. That's fine. But I just lost my train of thought. But what I don't get is when they expect you, for as long as you're out there, like I'm trying to get to know people and meeting different people, you come and say that I should split half. Okay, stay at your house. Let me stay in my house. I'm not hungry in my house. I have food in my house. It's fine. I don't get it. I really don't get it. And it's not that the person doesn't have money. They have money. Please have your own money first of all. I beg, as I'm talking this stuff, don't kind of embarrass me and start to say it's Jane that taught you, or it's Joa that taught you. Joa did not teach that one. Please have money, because some guys like to move mad. And when they want to move mad, you have to let them know that I'm not saying I'm not going Dutch with you because I don't have it. I'm not going Dutch because, please, I don't know about you, but me, I deserve to be wined and dined. I deserve to be dined and wined. That's just me. And I feel like now that I'm married, I'm always like, oh, I want to treat my husband, because for me, that's my love language. I like to take me out. I want to go out. I want to go to a new restaurant. I want to try new food. I want to go to Thor Park, something. Just take me out. He's more of like, oh, I'm just chilling. So majority I'm just like, oh, babe, dress up. Let me take you out because I have the money. Let's do that. But outside of that, he's never asked me to split. What? Please. Makeup is expensive. Hair is expensive. Eyelash is expensive. If they tell you to go Dutch, my dear, it's okay. No problem. Don't let them embarrass you in the streets of Beyonce. Don't let them embarrass you. You pay for your food. You enter your car and you drive to your house. And then you block their number. Case closed. There's no time in this life to waste time. Anyway, that's what I came here to talk about. You should please comment below and let me know what your thoughts and idea is on this conversation. Let's talk. let's get to know each other, because let's just bounce ideas. Let me know what your idea is on going Dutch, on Igbo guys, on Yoruba guys, and on sex, on I don't think I'm gonna say that word. On wedding night. So let me know what your thoughts are, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. I just wanted to gist with you guys. Thank you guys for spending time with me, because a girl was bored and needed to talk, and you guys were my ranting table. And thank you for listening. You guys are really great, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye guys.